Good. All right. Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining me. And I'm hoping that you guys had a good rest last night. And tell yourself, people, tell yourself, I want you to even type it in the comment section. This will be a good day for me. This will be a productive day for me. And I can guarantee you, people, you will have a good day. Doesn't matter what the situation is. You need to start the day off mentally before um you can really approach the day the right way. So hopefully guys have a good day, and I'm hoping that you guys is feeling well and okay at this moment. Now what I want you guys to do, smash that like button, and I will really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way to 9,000 subscribers. 9,000. I'm still anticipating if I can really reach the 10,000 by the year end. It would be a massive achievement. It would be a huge achievement to reach the 10,000 subscriber before December, before the 1st of January, before the end of December, the 1st of January. Would really appreciate it. So, Cameron Archer. Where does this name came from? It just pop out of nowhere. Now, I'm gonna show you what's happening. It just came out of nowhere, people. I don't even know. But let's have a look at it. So, Aston Villa 19-year-old starlet Cameron Archer is attracting attention from Jamaica. Who? So, who in Jamaica? Who's Jamaica? Who in Jamaica is attracting this attention? You know what? Let's have a read. Let's go to the article and see what the article is saying. So, this is according to the Mail Online. As the guys can see, the journalist is Tom Colomose. So we're going over to it now, people. Going over to the article. Let's have a read and understand where is this story coming from. What's the deal behind this story? I'm hoping that most of you guys are seeing it quite good as I am. So, Aston Villa starlet, 19-year-old Cameron Archer is attracting attention from Jamaica amid breakthrough season and could be the latest UK-based talent selected by the Caribbean nation. So, as his striker Cameron Archer, the forward who was born in Walsall near Birmingham, was on target at Chelsea in the third round of the Carabao Cup as Aston Villa lost on penalties. And also scored an hat-trick against Borough at an early stage of the competition. Archer then scored 3 times against Burn early this month in the Papa John's Trophy. Now, obviously, he scores goals. Obviously, this man scored goals. Archer, 19, would qualify for Jamaica through his mother, though it remains unclear how he would be eligible for Wales, despite the Villa boss and Dean Smith suggesting as much. So, yeah, you know the agenda. So Archer is a product of the Villa Academy, but this has been his breakthrough season, and Smith has made it clear to wish keep the player with the first team squad, even though championship clubs would like to take him on loan in January. And so, really and truly, I'm not sure where the journalist would have gotten. All right, so he said that the Jamaican football bosses are keen to explore the talent available in UK football and name Western Ford their squad. So I'm actually not sure how did they acquire this information. It could be the player's agent forcing Southgate's hand or something of that sort. But this one is just out of the blues, people. This one is a huge, huge surprise. This one definitely is a huge surprise. I didn't expect this one. Never expected this one. But if this is the age bracket that the JFF is trying to get players, I would definitely say that this is a good move, because football is not. If you look at our strike line, Shamar Nicholson is the youngest, who is 24 years old. The other guys are going 30, 30, 31 plus, going up. And definitely you can see the recent But this wouldn't be for now. I assume that this would be protect, maybe reaching out to display in particular to see how they can acquire him in the future, in future times. So definitely this wouldn't be anything for now, but it would be for some time then. We'll see. We'll see how that one goes. But let's also look at it on a different perspective. As I said, this could be a player agent play, as I said earlier, to maybe force himself, maybe Southgate consider him for the under 21 or the under 20, the under 23s, maybe something of that sort. So definitely, as I said, I'm not sure where Tom Colomews got that information from. He didn't quote it, he didn't say it, but he must have gotten it from somewhere to have the guts to go and publish that article. It must come from somewhere, people. It has come from somewhere. I don't think a journalist in a right mind, especially from a credible organization such as the Mail Online, put it in the papers and saying that Jamaica officials are looking at the player. So one of two things you have got is either he got information from the Jamaican officials, or he received the information from the player and agent, inform him that they were contacted. So that's the only way we can really look at it. But in other, I don't know. That's how I see it. But if that is the direction that JFF is going, people, I honestly believe that it would be a good one in regards to the young talent. Now, we still have questions surrounding our own talent that is in the country. What are we doing about those talents? Are we doing enough in regards to recruitment? Are we doing enough in regards to building the fundamentals of our own homegrown talent? We have seen so much former players, ex-players, ex-Reggae Boyz, coaches, and coming to talk about what is happening in regards to the local development, and it is something that we need to improve on. So, in all aspects, I will see how they coincide, start going for younger players on the larger scale, and also young players in the country as well, and how they develop that going forward. Because it is not easy. It is not easy, but definitely it has to be considered, because you can't just consistently go for players overseas. You have to have the local bread in that team just the same. Not saying that you must have a quota system based off what they are doing, but I believe so. So, guys, I won't go any further here. Hopefully, guys, having a good day. Good morning so far. Definitely, guys, what I want you guys to do, remember to smash the like button and help me get to 9K by hitting that subscribe button. Help me reach 9,000 subscriber, people, just by hitting that subscribe button. It's not hard. It's really easy. So, thank you, guys. Oh, I want to sneeze. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Whoa. Hey, wagwan. Thank you guys for tuning in, people. I'll see you guys again next time. Military Guna TV, and I am out.